So Troy, we've got some moisture going on within this concrete, right?
Yep.
So we run into this problem a lot throughout the country, not just here in Southern California.
It's a problem everywhere. It's surprising how much moisture people don't realize they actually have until they try and seal a floor.
Right, and if they don't take care of it, then that can cause big time problems with the coating, right?
Exactly, yep.
Right, so how do we address this problem in concrete?
So we have a product called PERMAGUARD, Densifier, and Moisture Seal. And what's nice about that product is it's a chemical that goes on the floor that works with your existing concrete. And what it does, it actually tightens up the pores and makes it harder for moisture to travel through. So it's sprayed onto the surface, scrubbed in, and like all of our other products, it's very easy to clean off. We're going to use clean water and squeegee it away, leaving the floor ready for our coatings.
Terrific. For more information on this product, visit the PERMAGUARD website.